Hello and welcome to Hëãvy's Concept TV, where we give you the latest news, gist, and updates. To all our subscribers and listeners, we say thank you for always listening to us. Please help tell your friends and families to also subscribe to Hëãvy's Concept TV. And if you are just tuning in, we say a very warm welcome to you. Welcome to Hëãvy's Concept TV. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also click on the notification post to be the first person to get an update when we upload our news. And now to the news of today. Headline: Breaking: heavy gun trucks, DSS, other security men deployed at EFCC office as mega protest is set to kick off. And now to the news info. There is a significant security presence at the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission EFCC head office on Awolowo Road in Ikoyi, Lagos State. The EFCC had earlier alerted the public about planned protests against the commission by certain groups. The Lagos State Anti-Crime Outfit, known as the Rapid Response Squad RRS, has strategically stationed vans at routes leading to the EFCC office. Additionally, the Department of State Services (DSS) is part of the Joint Security Forces deployed patrol vans, heavy anti-riot gun trucks, and black barriers at the site. The protesters, operating under the tag Reform EFCC, have outlined 5 key demands which they plan to submit to various EFCC offices across the country. These demands include: 1. Respect our fundamental human rights. 2. Stop indiscriminate arrest and evasion of people's homes. 3. Stop destroying people's properties in the name of sting operations. 4. Stop the profiling of young Nigerians. 5. Stop assaulting and manhandling Nigerians. A Twitter user at Størm Nigeria emphasized that the Reform EFCC protest is not politically motivated or sponsored by anyone. The protest is described as a people-centered, organic and peaceful demonstration calling for much-needed reforms within the EFCC for better performance. The user also warned that any individual attempting to politicize the protest by calling for Tinubu Moscow or NABC will be handed over to the police by the protesters. Well, it has gotten to this because the way EFCC profile young Nigerians, the way they just go into your room, they'll think, oh, because he has a laptop, because he's driving a car, because he's this, is that, is looking fine, he has a dreadlock, automatically he's a Yahoo boy. What if he's a computer tech person? I even think they are jealous of Nigerian youths, because you see them, they have money, they are doing well for themselves, and you start to assault them because they are looking rich, they are fine, they are handsome. Why? It is wrong. It's profiling. You are profiling me because you see that I'm looking well, I have money, and I'm a youth. Just because you are suffering in your own place of work, you are not the same thing as me. You should tell the governor, the people that employed you, to treat you better. You profile young men, you enter into their room, you destroy their roofs, you break into their houses, you destroy things, and you say you are working. It's wrong. If it has gotten to this, that they don't have to protest, then I don't know. And now you've gotten DSS, you've gotten gun battles. For what? People are trying to protest peacefully, but you people, you turn it to another thing. I don't know why we can't have peaceful protest in Nigeria. I hope that we don't get to the point of destroying people like Kenya youths also did. I hope we don't get to that level, because the government, they are really pushing the youth to the wall. My listeners, what do you think? Kindly leave your thoughts in the comment section, and do not forget to like, to share, and